Ka All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya Pradesh ya ka balatip kum ka TMC Meghalaya kala penramjuri ka Jing Shah herthma ka Ïingmane ha Karnataka laong ka karwo bala yoklum na ka Jingkantho u Zenith Sangma Vice President jo ka TMC Meghalaya u Zenith ula penramjuri ka te ka Jing Shah herthma da ka baong ki Jing penjulori ki Ïingmane ka de ka dur bala julong do kumba jule ka BJP Nadu bawan ka BJP hakabor sensyar kini ki ja kila jupteng nakapor syakapor kabadang haka arpenyo terik no pra hajar arpawar ya ka Ïingmane jong ka Saint Mary's Church kabadon hapo Mysuru Perlia Patna Hajalla Karnataka la penjulor bat umot dur jong ukhulung Jisu la Pynpra hipam.
Vandalizing of the churches. This has become a regular feature since the BJP has come to power at the center and subsequently in different states. Now on the 27th, when the St. Mary's Church in Mysuru district have been vandalized and the statue of baby Jesus, everything was destroyed. These are the indication. And we have been seeing it on regular basis in different parts of the country. Wherever BJP rule states are there, this kind of vandalizing of churches, attack on church elders, religious leaders are being found. These are basically the indication that BJP has got their hidden agenda and they are trying to fulfill it. That's it.